Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. I wanted to give you a quick behind the scenes look at what you get when you purchase your membership from me. So, you may have come in on the dollar trial for 7 days, which you can cancel at any time. It does convert to a subscription at $49.99 per month, which is peanuts. So, let's have a look at what you get. So, when you come in, you're going to get an email in your inbox, and it will send you right into the general discussion section right to this thread. So this is kind of the welcome thread, shows where the training is. So we got a table of contents that shows all the current and past challenges and what they contain. And right now we're actually on number 18 as of me shooting this video. And this is TikTok ads and Mother's Day gift necklaces challenge. So you can click that to participate. We also have the ability for members to have their membership paid for every month if they want. All I have to do is refer two people here, and that basically covers the cost of your membership. So there's details in here on how to do that. How do we train you? We use a challenge system, which means we do basically 3 live training sessions. And I've switched this up recently to a very accelerated mode where we're cramming in a ton of training in those 3 sessions. So they work very, very well. What else can you do? Go there. And then the golden rule on the forums is the only stupid question is the one that is not asked. So once you go in there, you can read everything you want, and then you can go and introduce yourself in here, right? And it's very easy to navigate. The cool part is too, if you click on what's new, you can see all the new posts, new profile posts, your newsfeed, latest activity. It's all in there. So this allows me to make sure that I'm really, really providing the best support that I possibly can because I don't miss a post in here. So I go in every morning and I go through everything. You can see there's a couple already in here. So we have the intro, the general, success stories, journals, and mindset section. And then the current challenge, which is this one, I'll just go ahead and show you. And it's every forum section has a read me first section, which sticks to the top. So the challenge details and the training are inside. So here you go. We just ran a session basically yesterday. We're on the next one next week, and then the following week after that. So it shows you how to register for them. And then if you can't make it to the live trading, that's no problem. You can come in here and you can view this at any time, and you'll see that was an hour and 15 minutes that I spent on this one. So all of the challenges that I've completed, and there's 17 completed ones in there, times at least 3 training sessions. The first one I actually had 5, but so if we go 17 times 3, you're looking at 51 training sessions of an hour each. So minimum an hour each. Most of them went over. So that's 51 hours of training in there, going all the way back to the first one we ran was a Christmas challenge in September 2019. And if you want to know what they contain and what I taught, then you can go to the table of contents and you can actually look up and then you can go right into whichever one you want. So there is a lot going on in the forums. I run everything live because I want my members to get the most up to date possible training. And that's why I'm constantly adjusting, constantly adapting, constantly moving forward. This training is all about TikTok ads and using it to promote Mother's Day gifts online. So, like print on demand products. But there's a lot of training on Facebook ads, there's a lot of training on Google ads, a lot of training on YouTube ads in here. I love my paid ads. There's even one in here, can't remember where it is, but it's on Etsy. There it is, face masks and Etsy. So we actually opened up a store and we ran some face masks on Etsy. Pretty cool. You can see I got 3 training sessions showing people how to do that from A to Z. So basically, what you're getting is group coaching. You're paying peanuts for it. I should really charge a lot more for this. And it's a good way for you to get training. And then the key is you get support too. So it's training and support all combined in one package, easy to navigate. Looks great on a phone too. If you can even look at this on your phone, looks wonderful. I suggest you join, hop in there. And when you do, go right to that general discussion post, read through, and then post your intro, introduce yourself to everybody, and then dive into the training. So, like I said, we are constantly updating. There's a lot of members in here right now. We've been up to like 1,252 members. So, you are not the first member in there by any means. There's a lot of us. So, get in, get your membership. I mean, it's really not expensive at all. So you're getting access to an expert, me, and you're getting access to a bunch of other people who actually speak your language, know what you're talking about. I've been doing this since 2007 full time. So you won't find somebody who's more on top of things than me as far as training goes. If you buy a course, that's cool. They do serve a purpose. It's just they need to be updated quite a bit in order to stay on top of all the changes that happen on the online world. Changes happen fast. So my forums are designed to give the most up-to-date possible training methods and support that we possibly can. It's a great way to learn. It's a great way for you to figure out print on demand and finally profit from it. I mean, that's the ultimate goal is for you to profit. So I've refined my training over the years and it's just getting better and better. So we're getting more and more success stories with the forums. So join now. I hope seeing inside and mention this video in your intro video. And let's see if we can get you profitable too. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.